This is brutal power wrapped in an elegant machine.
In addition to the day rate procedure and transport, you can also do Farrier, dentist and other rules. So for Farrier, it's a similar process. You just go add. If you have a supplier that you use, you can put them in. If not, you can just do all suppliers, and you choose what it is that you're actually going to be invoicing out. So it might be new shoes, gets added, new shoes, and it might be that they're 175. Farrier recoverable, save. Might be dentist again, might be clean. Again, if you need to add an account, you can. Save. And then the other one is other. So if you've got sort of things that aren't like that, but call it strapper. Or you might do just vitamins, and that may be so you can see now that we've created these other items. So when you go to creating a general task, you can choose dentist, you can choose your specific, and you can choose whatever horses are having that done. You can select when they're having it done. And mark as complete. So you can see here all of those are added in there at $100. Same with Farrier. So you can also you can do this through general task, or you can just do it through a new expense. You might see doing these ones have select item Farrier. Excuse me. New shoes. And then it pre-populates all those items there. You just click save, go to task, and then they're there. They're all in. So there's a couple of ways in which you can add these expenses. One is through task. One is through adding the expense down here. So in this section here, so new expense, one off, group expense. So you might have the Farrier that sends you a month-end bill. Custom expense, which is this next one, which I'll show you, which is for other. So for example, we put in a couple of expenses there. We said post-race vitamins, and we want to do that on race day. So you need to select the time frame. So what it does is the system will look at all the horses that raced over that time frame. Click all horses between the 1st and the 12th. They all got post-race vitamins. You can put it on race day, one day after the race, whatever the case may be. And then the system will create that expense for you automatically. So you can see here in other, post-race vitamins have been added to all of those horses based on when they were racing. So you can see all of those have been added automatically. So you can see now how those accounts start to build over time as you're just going about your business in the stable and managing the operations.